If there is toothpaste in your house right now, then there is a 70% chance that it may be of this brand. If you guessed it right, it is Colgate. It's the world's largest toothpaste brand. Honestly speaking, it's the only brand in the world purchased by more than half of all the households. With a market penetration of 67.7% and a market share of 45%, it commands the toothpaste market with an iron fist. In fact, its market penetration is even higher than that of CocaCola, which has a market penetration of 43.3%. Founded in New York in 1806 by William Colgate as a soap and candle making firm, today the firm is a worldwide consumer products company focused on production, distribution, and provision of household, healthcare, and personal care products. Employing nearly 36,000 people all around the globe and generating a revenue of $15.5 billion, it is one of the biggest and most trusted brand in the modern world. But more recently, there's been a decline in its market share and so in its revenue. With the new brands coming up every year, the market king needs to start worrying about its throne and innovate quickly. In fact, in 2007, an advertising authority restricted Colgate to no longer make claims that 4 out of 5 dentists recommend Colgate. Investigation has showed that the dentists surveyed to list toothpaste recommended competitors at similar rates. So, are you still using Colgate?